Hey guys, Matt here. Today is June 5th. Today we took a trade in the morning, so we're going to be doing a trading recap. Taking a break from the market right now, walking the dog. She's over there. Anyways, this morning we got into a trade, started to try and manage it. However, tried to set up an OCO bracket order for the first time. And this was recorded live, by the way, so you get to see that. And things didn't work out. Watch how it unfolded.
Alright guys, so we're here live, market is open. We watched a nice little bounce off of support here, but my general thoughts for the day are come up here, retest this pre-market high, and then come back down. Over here you can see that's around 275.50, 75.44. This 275 area is offering some key real estate on the chart. We'll see which way it decides to go. So pretty light on the volume. Usually it's not uncommon to see these candles have 1 million plus shares traded, and then the ensuing candles having 600, 500,000. This is kind of insane. Only 81,000 shares traded there, and only 53 in this candle that we're sort of building here. Light on the volume today. Seeing if it wants to kind of bounce off of yesterday's resistance a bit here, but then keep in mind we also have this 275 level right here. We'll see how it reacts. Will it make it? We will see. This pivot point acting as historical pre-market resistance. So if it breaks here and moves to there and comes back down, that wouldn't be a surprise either. Pretty good volume compared to the rest. So we're going to get in on the bid in a second here. I just want to make sure we're not going to get a little micro pullback, which looks like we are. The reason I canceled that order, guys, is just because this candle doesn't look too promising. Maybe if it comes back into an indecision candle, but the long wick on top, which is, yep, that's what I didn't want there. So this is probably going to come back down and test this 275 area. Terrible buying volume on that candle, but we're in at 75 cents. 2 contracts. We're going to place a sell here. Actually, let's see if we can do a one cancels the other. Right now, thinking I could have gauged the pullback a little better. I was kind of right about that candle with the upper wick being a little bit big, but we'll watch. The 2-minute chart seems to be going in our favor. Trend is up. Whoa. Whoa, no, 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 no. What?
What happened?
No. Okay. So that's not what I wanted at all. Fuck. I'm not going to get back in and chase. So with that, it looks like we are signing off. Alright guys, so I am back. It is about 5 o'clock. Normal hours are over. And we're just going to analyze and take a look at what happened earlier. So my entry into the market was pretty good. I got in right here on this circle somewhere towards the bottom of this red candle as it approached the support line of this ascending triangle pattern that I had identified. As it came down here, I got in on calls expecting the price to rise, which it did. The initial plan was to sell somewhere around this pivot point, which would have given me between 10 and 15% return on the contract. You saw I was in at 75 cents. Our high of day over here, 275.53, granted our contract a nice 99 cents. So 99 cents if you sold at the top from my entry of 75. That would have been about 32%. Pretty nice trade. However, of course, I never would have nailed the top exactly, and realistically would have been out somewhere in here just to lock in the profits and say, you know what, it's not worth hanging on, just in case things did decide to turn around early. So as you saw, I tried to set a one cancels the other bracket order to sort of step away with a stop loss down here and a limit order set for my target. However, if you come and look over here in the active trader panel, you'll see I have auto send checked. So what happened was, as soon as I double clicked here, sell custom, and clicked on OCO bracket right here, the computer sent a pre-generated order and I was filled immediately on a market order, luckily for the same price I bought the contract for. So I'm only down $4 on commissions, but still, who likes to give away free money? Kind of sucks, got frustrated with myself. Total technical error on my own part. But for the future, now I know. If I just unclick auto send there, I can come back over here, sell custom, click, and it brings up the order entry tab. And from here, I could customize these orders to what suits my needs. So we'll pull that away. And yeah, so that pretty much wraps up the day. A little bit frustrated, but hey, $4 to learn a pretty invaluable lesson. Things could have been a lot worse. Could have crashed, of course. Anything can happen in the market. Could have been out for a huge loss. Could have been 32% loss, but it wasn't. So for that, I'm thankful. And I hope you guys could learn a little something from this too. Just be careful when you have auto send on. It will not always give you the desired result. So with that, I'm going to wrap things up. If you liked the video, please drop it a like, a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments on the trade or anything I'm talking about, you have questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments section. And if you'd like to see more of this material, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Hope to see you in the next one.